What up, guys? Today's video I'm going to be showing you a very interesting platform where you can be earning some USDT daily. So if you are the type that is looking for how to make some extra cash online, or you are the type that is doing a 9 to 5 job and you still want to earn some extra cash online daily without spending much time online, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to get started and how you can start earning your daily USDT on this platform. So if you're interested in knowing how this thing works and everything about this platform, stick to this video till the end. Alright, so guys, for you to be able to get started on this platform, you will need to have an account. And to have an account, there's a link in the description of this video. Go down there, you click on it, it's going to bring you to a page looking like this, where you are going to be registering for an account. Now, to register for an account, here are the simple steps you need for you to be able to register for an account. The first thing you do is just to register with your phone number. So you have to click over here where you can see the flag. You have to click over there and select your country. You select your country by clicking over here. I already have an account. I won't be registering, but I'll show you guys the steps on how to get it done. So you just select your country and you are going to write in your number over here. Immediately the one that follows, you put in your number over here. After putting your phone number, you are going to also click on send, which is over here, for them to send you a verification code. Then once you get the code, you have to put the code in this box over here. So once you put the code in the box, the next thing to do is to write your password, create a password. You have to create a transaction password also over here. Then an invitation code will be here. I'm going to leave my invitation code on the screen right now. It's going to be blinking there. You can copy it and write there if you do not have any, because you will need it. So after you put the invitation code, all you need to do is to click on register, which is over here. Once you click on register, an account will be registered in your number and you will be asked to log in. Alright, so once you click on login, you are going to be coming to a page looking like this. This is the home page, and once you get to this page, please and please and please, I need you to take your time to go through everything you are seeing here. You need to read it to understand what you are getting yourself into. You need to understand how the platform functions and how you are going to be earning with this platform. You need to take your time to read. Well, I'm going to be brief about it. I will give you a brief explanation of what this platform is really talking about over here. Now, Big Tiger Blockchain is the name of this company, and they are based in Hong Kong, and all they do in this company is to trade cryptocurrencies on a daily basis. Now, you do not really need to own any cryptocurrencies before you can take part of this platform. Now, here are the cryptocurrencies they do trade on a daily basis. Once you click on investment over here, this is where investment is. You click on it, you are going to be seeing the list of cryptocurrencies that they do trade on a daily basis. Now, before we go any further, if you've already signed up and you get into the site and you're looking for where you can get the application, just click over here and you are going to download the application on your mobile phone. It's also available on the iOS, not only on Android. So you can just come over here and you click on application over here, then you will be able to download the application. Both Android and iOS are available over there. All right, so let's continue. Now, for you to be able to start earning on this platform, you will definitely need to fund your account. Well, I'm not a financial advisor, but I want to clarify something for you guys. With my own little experience I've had with all this kind of platforms online. So there are some platform companies offering this kind of services with a very high return of investment. Now, these platforms that offer such return of investment, anything above 2% as a return of investment, you should be scared of investing on those kind of platform. Anything above 3% as return of investment, is very, very risky, because such platforms do not stay long. They're just gonna take your money and run away. But this particular BTB platform, this company is offering us a very nice and reasonable return of investment, which is going to make them stay for a very long time on the space. Every cryptocurrency has its own return of investment, the percentage, so you need to take your time to click on them one after the other and see the one you would like to go for. But Bitcoin, BTC has the highest. Let me click on it for you guys to see. BTC has the highest return of investment over here, which is about 1. You can see it over here. Let me show you. So you can click here and you can see it over here, which is about 1 to 75%. Sorry, 1.75 to 1.85% daily for your investment. So guys, that's actually the highest on this platform. So you can take your time and go through the rest so that you can know the amount, the return of investment each of them is involved in. So like I said, this is not a financial advice. I am saying this due to my own experience that I've had with many platforms online. For you to be able to fund your account, you will need to click on mine, which is on your down right corner over here. Okay, wait, let me just pull this up. Then here you click on mine, you will come over there for you to be able to fund your account. So let's click on mine and we are going to be seeing. All right, so once you click on mine, the next thing you should do before you even think of funding your account, the first thing you should do is to click on the real name authentication. You click over here. All right, so you click on the real name authenticator. You can see mine is already completed. I've already completed mine and I can't do anything again. I've already done mine, and this thing is very, very important. It's the best way you can secure your account on any platform. So any platform, any company offering you a real name authenticator is like your KYC. You should know it's a very good platform and it's gonna be doing good. So you need to do that before you make any deposit on this platform. So I've already made deposit of like $100 on my balance right now, which is over here. I'll be showing you step by step how you can also make deposit on this platform quickly in the next step. For you to fund your account, all you need to do is to click on save money, which is over here. Click on the save money button over here. So click on it. I already made a deposit, but I will just show you guys the steps you need to take for you to make that deposit also. So what you need to do again, the next thing from here is to click on the second one. You can fund your account with your bank account, card, or you use your USDT, but in this video I use my USDT, so I want you guys to also use the USDT TRC20. You know, I've already told you guys about this thing. You should always pay attention to it. When it's USDT TRC20, it means it's from the Tron blockchain. This is not for the Binance, so you should use the TRC20. So you click on it, and once you click on it, they will provide you an address where you're going to be sending your funds. Now the minimum to fund on this platform is 50 USDT. That's $50. That's your minimum you can fund on this account is $50. So for you to be sending USDT over here on the TRC20, they always take $1 as their fee. So if you're funding your account with $50, you should make sure you're funding it with $51, so that they will just take their fee and you are going to get your exactly $50 on your account. So the next thing you should do once you get here is to just click on this button, or you try and copy this link. And once you copy the link, you go to your wallet, or you know how to send already. You go to your wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Binance, any other wallet you have where you have your crypto of USDT stored. You just send the 51 USDT and it's going to come over here. Now after sending it, the next thing you should do is to come over here, write the amount you sent, exactly the amount you sent, and you take a screenshot of your payment. So you take the screenshot, you bring it to, and once you come over here, you are going to load it. You click on this arrow, you click on this arrow, and it's going to upload on this page. Then the next thing you do is to click on OK. Once you click on OK, your payments will take just few seconds or few minutes to appear on your dashboard. Then you are going to see your balance is going to be exactly, if it is 50, you are going to see 50 on your balance. If it is $100, you are going to see $100 like mine on your balance this way. After funding your account, it's time for you to go and put your money to work for you. So the next thing you should do is to click on investment, which is down here. All right, we click on investment, and I'm going to be showing you things you are going to be doing in order for you to be making your daily earnings on this platform. Now, what you should do here, is if you are using a $50 account, you can only trade, you can only fund these three cryptocurrencies at the bottom here, because that is the minimum or you can trade with $50. So if you funded your account with a higher sum, maybe like $100, you can trade these three also. These ones are the minimum you can trade them is $100, and anything above 100, let me say like 2,000, I think $1,000 upward, you can trade Bitcoin. And these three, all these ones are for those with a very high funding on their accounts. They can go with these ones. Right now we have just $100 on our account, so we are going to be going with the low. We are going to be going with these ones down here. Let me just go on Solana. Let me try and trade Solana. I'll click on Solana. So all you need to do, you click on it, and once you come over here, you can also take your time to verify. To have more details about this particular trade, just click on the product details over here. So you can see over here it is written deposit amount is $50, and the trading is from Monday till Sunday. Every single day they are going to be trading. So all you need to do is to put your money to work, and every blessed day, every 24 hours, they are going to be giving you back your money, your capital, and your profit. So it is not left for you to withdraw, or you continue with the journey. So now what you should do over here is let's fund the transaction. So click on fund transaction. Here you can see you are going to be earning 0.90% to 0.95%. that is the percentage you are going to be having on your capital. For me, I want to use 100 on the Solana, so I'll just click over here. In case you have more than 50, and you can't find the amounts you have over here, you just have to use the box next to it over here, then you write it. So I'm going to write 100 over there because I want to use 100 on this trade. So the next thing you do is to click on confirm. Now let's wait for this to finish. All right. Okay, now this order has been placed. All right, so now here we can check. Let me show you where I click to get to this page. Come over here, you just click over here, click on order, which is over here. Then you are going to come to a page like this. You are going to see the order of whatever you've placed. You can see I placed $100 on the Solana trade. So I'm going to be earning 0.94% tomorrow. So this trade is going to take 24 hours. This is it. It's going to take 24 hours. You can see it over here, just a day. You can see a day. So after 24 hours, my capital will be returned to me with the profit on it. So this is what you have to keep doing daily for you to be able to earn on this plan. Well, I'm not a financial advisor, but I believe this is something you can do with your money instead of leaving it in the bank, or you just leave it in your wallet without it generating any extra income for you. They also try and share your referral link by just clicking on the community, which is over here. Click on community. You can go there and get your referral link, share with your friends so that you can also build your team. You know, I always tell you guys, build your team. Whatever you're doing, build your team. It's very important. It helps you grow in anything you are doing. So build your team. It's gonna really help you guys grow. In order for you to make withdrawals from this platform, you just have to come over here, but you need to have the minimum of 10 USDT on your balance before you can withdraw. So you can just click on withdraw cash over here. then you come over here, you use the wallet address, you click on it. Well, I'll make another video on how to make withdrawals on this platform later on, but for now, let's start making some USDT with this platform. Let's start earning from this platform in the first place. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new update. If you like what I showed you, please give this video a thumbs up. It's an appreciation from you and a motivation for me. So guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.